From the top of this 45-meter drop tower, my friends, How Ridiculous, are about to release a watermelon. In free fall for a full 3 seconds, the watermelon accelerates to over 100 kilometers per hour before smashing into the ground. Another watermelon was sprayed with a polymer coating. Let's see how the coated watermelon fares in the drop test.
That's insane. Oh, you're kidding me.
Instead of shattering, the watermelon bounces and remains intact. For the most part, anyway.
Is it broken inside?
Yeah.
It is.
It's definitely slushy.
So it's hard because it's made of a tangled mess of molecular threads, but flexible because these threads can be stretched out and then snapped back.